You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
I've really been thinking about what it means to be an evergreen business, to be sustainable, and looking around at our current world, thinking about the next generation to hopefully take over for me. I feel like we've got a real responsibility to leave the planet, our communities, our manufacturing world in a better shape than we found them. And, the other funny reality about the products that we sell, so we're selling specialty chemicals into surface finishing and manufacturing. Nobody really wants to use what we sell, but they have to, because you can't use metal in a durable goods environment without it going through pretty rigorous chemical process. It's got to be clean. You've got to worry about rust. You've got to have a decorative or functional finish, all these things. Nobody wants to use them. So thinking about what our purpose is for our business, I'd really like to help our customers get those better results, use less chemistry, maybe it's less complexity, all in all, just shrinking the process so that they're able to do more with less.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.